January 2017, question number 12. We've got the question, what is the minimum value of the function y equals absolute value x plus 3, done with that, minus 2. Now, if you memorize the rules of transforming, you know an absolute value, you can do that. But the best thing to do anytime you see y equals or f of x equals or h of x equals, you should just go to your calculator and plug it in. So let's do that. I'm ready to make a new calculator here. Let's add a graph. And I can just plug that function in, y equals absolute value of x plus 3 minus 2. Here, I'll just zoom out for a second so you can see what I press on the calculator. Right next to the little book over here, you press that button to get a whole bunch of options. And now I got to zoom back in because the screen's getting hard to see. Zoom back in over here, refocus. That's looking a little better. Once you've got that button, you can come all the way over here. You see your absolute value bars. Oops, I went one too far. Choose enter on that. Absolute value comes in. And then, what was it again? X plus 3 minus 2. X plus 3 minus, has to be outside, minus 2. Hit enter over there. And we've graphed it, and it just wants to know the minimum value. So I can try to count it by counting those things over there. I'm just going to go ahead and hit menu, 2 for view, 2, 6 for grid, and 3 for line grid, so it makes it a little easier to count. And now my minimum value was at 1, 2, 3, negative 3, negative 2. Negative 3, negative 2 is my minimum value. Problem is, I see 3, I see 2, I see negative 2, I see negative 3. So what do I need for the minimum value? I guess I can rule out positive 2 and positive 3, but my minimum value, it's either over here at negative 3 or negative 2. When you are looking for a minimum value, you're looking for the minimum y value, because if you look at this graph, it goes off to the left forever. There's no minimum x value. If I go to the right, it goes off to the right forever. There's no maximum x value. I can go off the top, right? This will keep going up forever. That'll keep going up forever. There's no maximum y value. The only minimum value that exists is going down. The lowest point I'll ever hit in this graph is this coordinate right over here. So I got to care about the y value of it. That is why when I ask for minimum or maximum, I'm asking for y values, not x. So in this case, you've got to say negative 2 because that is the y coordinate of my vertex point over here. So the correct answer for this is answer choice 1. Your minimum value is always the y coordinate of your vertex. Negative 2 is the answer.